So today we have prepared this twice, okay? This piece has 2 pieces of scarf, and we cut it in half, okay? We cut it in half so that we have 2 pieces, okay? 2 separate pieces. 2 separate pieces, okay? We're gonna serge each side, okay? Then we're gonna fold in each side as a trifold, okay? So that now we have an adjustable strap, okay? We finished all of the sides, we've tucked them under, basted them, and now it's a trifold. This will be the adjustable strap for our aprons, okay? So get started here, the right end under here. What we're looking for is as close to the edge as possible so that we can see what we're doing here. Okay. Put this down. Let's do a 6, shall we? Okay, so put this here. I'm going to keep it aligned with the outside of the foot here, the presser foot, okay. On the outside, so that it maintains the same even throughout the whole strap. Take our pins out so that we don't pop a needle on our machine. This strap was already prepared previously. The work's already been done to make sure that this is turning out the way we want it to. Okay. Important to make sure that all of the layers are down flat so that there's no bunching. If it bunches at all, then this strap won't go through a buckle, right? It won't be able to be adjusted. So it's important that every single piece is as flat as possible.